Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda and this is Linda's Home and Style. So in today's video we just want to do a quick unboxing of a stainless steel cookware. We are also going to review it by cooking on it to know how it performs, because I had some reservation when buying it. And then we want to deep clean my washing machine. Yeah, I remember one of you reminded me it's so dirty. Yeah, I knew it was so dirty, but time really kwa chache. So guys, let's begin. And again, if you come across this channel, please consider subscribing, and thank you for your support and just watching and sharing.
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda and this is Linda's Home and Style. So in today's video we have this stainless steel cookware to unbox. And if you've been following my videos, you know where I got them from. The yacht, yeah. And again, these pots, they are from SQ Professionals. If you've been watching my videos, utaona them granite pots that I usually use to cook. They were in red wines, it's the same company. So I'm really anxious. I want to see if they'll do a perfect job, because you know stainless steel so burn food. So after unboxing, we'll cook using these pots to know how they perform. So let's just open. Cooking pots, and the first thing you come across are the lids. Again, packaging is just packaging is nice, yeah. Unaona mpaka hizi knobs zimefunganishwa na tu, yeah. And then it's like wood, it's like rubber, yeah, it's just beautiful. So these are the first two lids. And again zote unaona vile zimekavariwa poa, mpaka the knob imekavariwa poa. Then we remove this. Then we come to this. Inaitwa nini? Inaitwanga soup pot. Aba inaitwangwa aje? Yeah. And again, packaging, guys, packaging is just lovely. And then it can't burn you, no. And then it's so strong, it's a very thick stainless steel. And then it can also be induction, you can cook on an induction cooker. This here just tells you that, It's nice. And it's heavy. So the second one, let me read for you guys. It's saying premium 18/8 stainless steel. Again, SQ Professional, and then Catred Macchiao apple. Yeah. I can't wait to cook on it, on these pots, guys. But nimesema after this we are going to cook. We are going to make some rice and beans, tuone vile kunakwenda. This is a 2.2 liters one, 18 centimeters. This one I think nimetoa. Yeah, this one was the small one was 16 centimeters, 1.7 liters. Packaging, guys, I don't know if you can see packaging kwa mambo yote na hizi vitu za UK, That's why I love them so much. And then kitu itakupea service for the rest of your life. So here the small lid from the for the small pot. There. So pretty, so beautiful, eh? Then we open this one. This one is 20 centimeters and it's a 3.2 liter cooking pot. Alafu hizi vitu hazita kuchoma, hiyo ndio kitu inanibamba, haita kuchoma, eh? Again, induction. Suku sana. I'm in love already. Another lid for this one now. This one is 22 centimeters for 4 liters. Shiny, 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 shiny. They are heavy, they are super heavy, guys. So nimeanza kujiambia ziezi ban food. The last sufuria. Again, you mix the lid first. Oh boy, it's broken. It's broken. Itatumia tu misi picture. We see what to do. So guys, tumeona one lid, the knob is broken, but I'll just talk to Missy. We figure it out, and then this is the big pot that they have. This package has. This is the biggest one, and it's very heavy. And again, this one is a 24 centimeter, 5.6 liter. And it looks like that. Then the final one. The final one is a pan. This is a pan, and the reason why I opted for this set, I think, is because of this pan. It will attract to these cooking pots. Because ile granite, the granite set, they don't come with a pan. So this is 24 liters. Sorry guys, 24 centimeters, 2.4 liters. It's so pretty. And just look at the detail. It's so pretty. So I think hii ndio lidia hii. Yeah. Ndio lidia hii. So guys, we'll just cook tuone vile zinapika. Yeah, tuone kama ina burn food. I also have these 3 packages that I got from AliExpress. Napenda kubuy vitu AliExpress juu kwa nini? Ile tu tudogo yenye unaweza tu need. So I will just fungua raka tuone ni nini ziko hapa ndani. And first of all is this clear silicone cover for my phone. I just needed a clear one this time. Na kwa mzee sitaki madoido. So I don't know if this thing comes out. Yeah, it does. But let me just remove this one. Yeah, my bling bling. I put the other one. You see how it will look. The clear one. You see how it will look. And that is how it looks. I think ni poa. So yes, that's that. Just open hizi zingine mbio mbio tuanze kupika sapa. These are rubber bands because nilisema I'm starting this journey of hair making. I need something to be holding my braids with. So I just opted for this. Zina stretch. Alafu ni twingi. So that moja ikipotea auta, like you have a backup, eh? Then I also got these two wooden spoons. Hizi nilisema nitatumia kwa laundry kuchukuanga as in kuscoop scent boosters, eh? Yeah, because you just need very little scent boosters when you're adding to your laundry. So hizi naenda kuweka kwa laundry room, eh? Ni tudogo, oh my god, AliExpress ndadanganyaga mtu. Ni tudogo but they will work. They will do the job they were meant to do. And then haka kakitu, I think mnajua haka kakitu nikakuweka. This one you just put kwa sink, kwa tap, yeah, not kwa sink, kwa tap yako ya kitchen, yeah, and you just put your sponge to drip water after you've already done washing your utensils. So hii tunajua itaenda wapi, eh? Nenda topo kwa sink sahi tu sahi. So that's that. Yeah.
No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar.
So guys, I had said we're gonna put the pot to test, and it was now time, yeah. So I started by making rice, and for me, when I'm running late in making dinner, I just boil water kando. Then I place my rice, salt, and cooking oil in the pot. Like for this one now, I also added some cardamom and bay leaf, yeah. And after that, I just pour in my boiled water in the sufuria for the rice to cook, but I place it on very, very low heat, like the lowest heat possible.
Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me.
So as our rice was boiling, it was now time to make the bean stew. And for me, I just use some onion, basically onion. I don't add ginger and garlic in my bean stew because I just like it like natural, yeah? Yeah. So there goes my onion. Then I'll just add some nyanya. And for nyanya, I added puree, basically because when I plant tomatoes, like during harvest, I usually harvest a lot of them. So since I don't want them to spoil, I just puree them and put them in the freezer, then we'll be using when needed. And I also add colored capsicum or hoho in my bean stew. After that, I add carrots. Then I add my beans.
After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church.
So guys, as I was cooking, I discovered that these pots, when you're using them, you don't need to put a lot of heat. Like, yeah, just put low heat, yeah. Kidogo tu cause inatend to retain the heat, eh? I think because it has the heavy gauge, yeah, or something. So you just put very low heat, though it didn't burn my food. I think I like it so much, yeah. It didn't burn my food because unaonanga zile stainless pots zingine, they just burn food like evil food inakuwa tu black, like, yeah. So it didn't burn my food, but I noted you just need very, very low heat, yeah, to cook your food.
With your love, take me to church with your love.
So guys, I don't know if you noticed, I put the beans before adding my carrot. What I usually do on a normal day, nilisahau, I usually add my carrots first to cook before now adding the beans. I think inepanga a nice taste, yeah, and a nice soup, yeah. So after doing that, I ended up adding some cooking cream in the beans just to give it a nice creamy texture, and also just to give it a heavy soup, yeah.
Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my
So guys, here I was just checking on the beans to make sure never poor and everything is going on well, as in terms of cooking, like it's not burning. And yeah, it didn't burn my food again. It didn't burn my food. So within a few minutes, it was now time to serve and eat.
past lovers were wrong, knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a
So guys, you've seen now the beans are ready, and it was now time to serve, and we ended up overeating, yeah. I didn't anticipate like the beans will taste so nice with the cooking cream, yeah, but they tasted so nice, yeah. And I usually use yellow beans to cook, but this time I used this, it's called rococo, yeah. And they were equally nice, yeah, but they usually have a lot of gas, yeah. Yeah, so here we are just serving our food to enjoy our dinner.
So guys, we are in the laundry room and I want to wash this washing machine. I want to deep clean it actually, because it's been dirty for a while. Yeah, I'm embarrassed to show you, but so we just want to deep clean this machine like thoroughly. You see, it's dirty. It's dirty, yeah. So tunataka kuiosha poa kabisa, inukie poa, yeah, and everything. Unajua mimi napenda vitu zikinukia poa. So I'll be using the intensive clean to clean it. Then I'll also use vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. Then I'll use it's called what? Ultimate lime scale, sorry guys, ultimate lime scale remover, yeah. And then after that yeah, for deep cleaning now, because the machine inakuja na function yake ya ku deep clean, ndio hii hapa tab clean after nimesha clean, nimetoa the extra water here there now we'll just focus on the tab, and then we put it on tab clean. Nitaonesha vitu nita add yeah, just to make sure it's so clean and smelling nice.
So guys, the first thing I do when cleaning my machine is just to remove this compartment here, like to open it up, yeah, and then open the tube and get off all the water that in a hang apple. Then I also open this thing, yeah, it holds a lot of dirt. If you open yours, if you've got a washing machine, if you open yours, you'll notice, yeah. So that one was also supposed to be cleaned, because I've said this is a deep clean, and I removed the washing dispenser, like your place in you add Star Soft or detergent or your powder, yeah. I also removed that to deep clean them.
so amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love.
So guys, here I'm using warm water to clean, and I've also added some vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, and detergent, yeah. Detergent and vinegar comes in handy basically when you're doing most of the cleaning in the house, yeah. And then it's also natural, yeah, and it removes bad smell and what can I say, discoloration from your stuff, yeah.
Me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without.
Then again, this washing dispenser tray, yeah, the blue part also comes out, like you can detach it from the main dispenser and just do a thorough clean on it, yeah. Don't be afraid to remove it. And after that, I cleaned your kavakachini, and then I started now cleaning this kahol, yeah, this kahol, because most of the time pia inakwanga chafu, imebeba fabric softener, imebeba soap, like inakwama hapo ndani. So it was now time to scrub hapo, nioshe poa.
You love, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love.
So after that, I started on the tab now, and up at the cover, the rubber part was so dirty. So I started with it. Nika add the lime scale remover and some soap. Yeah, and I was also using the water, vinegar, and hiyo yenye mmeona hapo. Yeah, I was also using it, and I used this brush because I knew it will get in the parts that the sponge can't fit in, yeah, and remove the extra dirt that was hanging in there.
Take me to church, put me down to the river, give me a new start. It's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart.
So guys, I think you've noted that my washing machine, the glass inakwanga usually tinted. So most of the time you can't see like vile washing machines zingine, you can see it cleaning and the clothes turning and everything. But yeah, I cleaned it regardless, yeah, because I just wanted it to be sparkling, eh? And by the end of the day, you're gonna see how clean it turned out to be.
I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you, I write it off as sermons. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it now. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong.
So here I was cleaning this. I don't know if it's a holder for your dirt or I don't know, but I was cleaning it up because it was the dirtiest, yeah? And it took me a while to just clean it and remove every piece of shit that was in it. Alafu I just went and poured out the dirty water, got some clean water to now rinse and put back everything that I had removed, like the dispenser and then hizo vitu za kuweka hapo chini. Yeah, sija find the right word, yeah? But I think you get, eh?
Wrong with baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong with baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me, I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it now. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you.
me tell you guys, this mirror I usually use the glass and window cleaner to clean it, and I use the tissue, like kitchen tissue, just to clean this glass so that it doesn't leave any residue, and then it just sparkles. Yeah, like it's like you're polishing it. Yeah. So guys, it was now time for the clean tab function, yeah, and I usually use the intensive cleaner, just the powder. I also add some bicarbonate of soda, then I add my lemon or lime. Yeah, it takes away the bad odor. Then I add vinegar and a laundry pod, and also some scent boosters, yeah, just to give it a nice fresh smell. So once you usually press the start button for the tab clean, it usually brings time, yeah, 1 hour 12 minutes always, yeah, always. So you'll just let it run for that 1 hour 12 minutes, then it will alert you when it's done the cleaning. Yeah, the cleaning of itself huko ndani, yeah. Yeah, so after that, when it was cleaning itself, I decided to just clean this cover because kumekuwa na vumbi mob sana, and vumbi inaingia kwa hii laundry room, I think through the hapo hivyo chini ya mlango. So it was now time to clean this laundry cover as the tub was cleaning itself. So guys, the machine has finished to deep clean itself, and I will just open tuone ndani, and I'll just remove these lines. It's smelling so nice. These are the limes. Nonata zimechange color because it was hot water. Yeah, I think I'll just remove the seeds. And then I'll just show you how clean it is. The glass is shining nicely. I can see a reflection of myself. Alafu hapo ndani panakaa hivyo. Yani imeng'ara. It's now fine. It's okay. So yeah, we'll do some laundry tomorrow. Again, tuanze process ya kuichafua tena.